Welcome to the Hungh Zone. If you're watching this, you're already dead or want to be. Either way, I can help you escape. The Romans invented taxes. Then they invented faking death to avoid them. In 12 AD, Marcus Papirius jammed himself into a cart and claimed ascension. Today, we do the same with a printer. When you're dead, you don't owe the government, your ex, or the cartel. The squirrels can't trace a corpse. Not just any printer. It must have died with purpose. Lasers are for cowards. We need an inkjet that passed from this world clutching a dream. This is your skin now. Treat it with grief. A body without teeth is a lie. Find one molar. Place it where the paper used to go. This is your spiritual DNA. I simulated a car fire using cooking spray, a glass jar of gas station pickles, and the weeping of a cow. The closer to nature, the less questions they ask. Print the document that says you died. Sign it with a pharmacist's handwriting. Send it to yourself. Label it junk mail. Once the system believes you're gone, you are. After death, existence is a paper jam. You can hear the machine struggle, but no page arrives. This is peace. This is tax exemption.